Hypertension is one of the leading risk factors of coronary artery disease. Unfortunately, in America, the amount of deaths due to cardiovascular disease are growing over time. This is just the opposite of what we're seeing with cancer. In fact, if we take all the deaths due to cancer and put them all together, they still wouldn't equal the amount of people that are dying from heart disease. The question is, why does heart disease occur? And one of the main factors as to why heart disease occurs is hypertension or high blood pressure. High blood pressure has been known to increase the incidence of heart failure, stroke, and heart attacks. Each one of those are major life-altering events which we want to try to avoid at all costs. And the way to really do that is to hit the high blood pressure as hard as we can and reduce that as much as possible. There's been a major change in the way we look at high blood pressure and what our guidelines tell us to do with high blood pressure. Right now, what we were trying to aim for is a blood pressure of less than 130/80. We also try to see whether or not lifestyle changes can be first instituted before we try any medications. There are many ways that we can treat blood pressure, but going back to what I was talking about with lifestyle changes, I think it is very important to talk to a patient to figure out whether there are any lifestyle changes that can be implemented before we try any medications. We now know that the blood pressures at home are the ones that are really more important in predicting cardiovascular disease or events. And the reason being is because high blood pressure occurs as a result of multiple changes in the body. But one of those changes is a change called vascular stiffness. In other words, as we get older, our arteries tend to get stiffer. And the reason why the patient has a normal blood pressure after taking medications is because the medications are working. The most rewarding portion of treating patients with hypertension is keeping them away from major disease, which can severely impact their lives over time.